decision making statements. In that Python language, there are 4 kind of statements are there. If, nested if, then if else, then if else if. Okay? You know the concept how it will work and if else will work, right? So now we're going to discuss about if else if. So in this Python language, we will represent if else if like if, else instead of else, elif. If. This is for else if. Then finally, then you should have else. So these things should come in the syntax. So okay. So why, in which situation we will use this kind of if else if later? Yes. If you want to check the condition, even the condition is failed. So in that situation, if you want to check more number of conditions, so we can use this kind of statement, right? So how your mark is calculated? Have you all received your result, right? Yes. So both the combining internal and external mark, you will give the grade, right? So 60-40 or 40-60, 40 is your internal and 60 maybe your external, right? So how the grade will calculate it? Based on what the grade will calculate it? Any idea? Yes? So suppose we take your mark above 90. If suppose if we set it a grade like the mark is lies between 91 to 100. O grade means if your mark lies on that range, you will get a grade O. 81 to 90 means A plus means if your mark lies on that range, you will get A plus. So in that situation, if I want to calculate whether your mark lies on which category, so in that situation, I can use this kind of if else if, right? So I must get your marks as an input and I have to check the condition if mark greater than 91 or equal to 91 and less than or equal to 100 means printf the grade is O. Else, again one condition, else if, elif. In this Python we can use elif. Again we can check condition mark greater than 81 and less than 91 or 90, less than or equal to 90 means it comes under A plus. So we want to check the multiple condition for the same input, we can use else if later. Okay? So in this, the syntax may be if condition, if it is true. In shorthand, in Python we can give the statement here itself. For example, if A greater than 10, this is the condition, we can print it over here also. Shorthand method for giving statements in Python. Okay, if suppose the block will contain more number of statements, you may use blocks, right? Block kind of statements like below the condition. If the block having only one statement, you don't need to give it below the line. You can give it in the same line like print A is like A equal to 20 means if you assign A is equal to 20, if I am checking the condition A greater than 10, so A is greater than 10. You can print over like this. Okay, so the syntax of this is if condition and block of statements, and else if again we can give the condition, then the statements of else if block, and final if there is no condition to check it, we can use else. Yes? So you can give if else ladder in Python like this. Is this clear? Okay, so decision making statement, it works for checking the condition. Based on that, the certain block of the code will get executed, not the entire code. But the program will have the entire part of line of the instruction. But based on the condition only, it will execute. If you take a hotel, menu is that it has so many items, right? So based on our need, the particular item will be problem. Write a program to calculate the grade obtained in the university result. Using if-else ladder. Yes? Do this. We will discuss it later.